Good quality creatine is hard to find, and Truvani is one of those brands that is so highly tested and so highly loved by so many people. So I just had to try their creatine. Truvani did send me this to do an honest review on, so I'm going to do that today. This is the Truvani unflavored creatine, so unflavored, which honestly is kind of nice because you can mix it into any smoothie. Like if you want to have a chocolate smoothie, if you want to have a vanilla smoothie, a protein and, you know, blueberry smoothie, you can mix it in. So that's really nice. And on the back, it says that you can mix it into coffee, which is a great plus for me because I love coffee. And 1 scoop of this is 5 grams of creatine. It's actually really nice because they include a scoop, unlike many other brands. I'm gonna mix this up and see how it is. Alrighty, I just mixed it up with a little bit of water. Honest taste test, let's see how this is. It's actually really nice. Completely unflavored, like they said. Not chalky at all, really no taste at all. This is pretty awesome. And I've definitely seen a difference taking creatine in my muscle growth, so would definitely recommend this.